Alright guys, and quickly right here about the Billion Network airdrop. This is the latest update right now. If you have tried to log into the website, that is trying to log into your own account, you will get to understand that this is what it now shows, saying account migration. We have migrated your old Billions portal account to the identity wallet. Check if your efforts on the portal match the data below. So they're going to give you your email address, your current level, your PowerPoint, and of course that is all. So let's click on continue right now and see where we go. You can see accounts migrated successfully. So looking down right here, you can see this is all we have right here. You can see the dashboard is now even more broad. Even your referral reward and stuff like that, they are all showing up right here. So literally you can see I've actually earned the campaign reward, which is include the 800 bill plus $10 and of course 5 bill. I've earned all this, but the most important thing that you need to do right now is this. Okay, so earlier today they made an announcement saying that they have actually dropped the latest version of their application. That is the latest version of their app. Okay, and right here they said Billion app 1.3 is here, your reward, your identity in one place. We are excited to introduce version 1.3 of the Billion app, now available on iOS and Android. So they have literally a kind of dropped or released the latest version of their app, and the latest version of their app actually allows you to have all your data all in one place. Now you do not need to go to their app to see your identity stuff like that, and of course go to the website to see your PowerPoints and all that. Now they have actually made everything available in one place, which is of course on their app. Right now the exact thing that you need to do right now is simply for you to update your Billion Network app and see the latest updates right there. Okay, so over here they say that just what I say right now, that the whole stuff are now on your one app. And of course you can see verify and manage your identity through your official profile, and of course join live campaign like bill registration and claiming, all from one central hub. Track your reward and see your eligibility. So simply go to your Apple Store or Play Store, then search for the Billion Network app, then click on update to actually update the app. So once the update is done, then we are going to be checking to see the latest integration right there. That is the latest update that they have for us, and of course how it looks. All right, so as you can see, I'm doing this for the first time. Let's just allow it to load completely, and we are going to be good to go right now. Okay, so right now we do not need to go to the website any longer. Both the airdrop claim and the identity verification and of course PowerPoint and other stuff like that, they are all on this app right now. So when you click on open right now, it's going to be opening up the Billion Network app for you. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Of course you need to log in, so I will click on Google like this, then I will choose my account. So once I choose my account, then I'm going to allow it to load completely. Then straight I'm going to be taken to my account, that is inside my own account. You can see preparing your identity wallet, syncing remote storage. Okay, and here we are in the app. Okay, so looking over here, the first thing you're going to be seeing is your PowerPoint. You can see this is my PowerPoint right here, and this is what I've earned so far. This is the campaign that I've joined, which is of course the trial card and other stuff like that, which gave me 5 bill and 800 bill. Of course bill is their native token, and also $10. I got all those. So if you haven't gotten your card, you simply click on get your card, then you get your card. All right, so over here they said exclusive for new trial user who sign up with the Billion access code. Actually I missed this access code. Actually I didn't use it, so but that doesn't really matter. So over here, this is of course your referrals, unlock with basic badge, referral code, blah blah blah. So over here you can see for every person you refer, you get 200 points, and of course you need to get the basic badge if you want to. So when you come over here, this is of course where our identities are. that is verifying if you are a human or not. This is where we of course do it. So we have the proof of uniqueness, email ownership, uniqueness credential right here. And when you come over here, this is of course where you can scan a QR code or upload a QR code. Coming over here, this is of course your main profile. You can see over here my profile is unverified. I'm going to be working on that. I think when I claim a badge, it's supposed to be open, but I've done all this. Yeah. So basically, I'm going to be trying to get it verified to see if there's a way I can verify. So I'm going to be giving you guys the update as well. Okay, I need to claim my full name, claim Telegram, and other stuff like that. Okay, so that's what I need to do. So I'm going to be doing that immediately after this video. If you haven't done that, go ahead and do your own as well. All right, so coming over here to the home page, basically you can see now everything are all in one place. Now you do not need to go to the website to check your points. Now all your points, your identity, everything are now available on the app. Go ahead right now, update your app and get your account migrated. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any question, drop it right there on the comment section and I'll be there to help you answer it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.